Hello children, let's start our lesson 3, the King's Magic Drum. The extract, it is an extract means a part of a story of a Nigerian folk tale. You know where is Nigeria? Nigeria is located in Africa and it is a very famous story of Nigeria. It is about a king who has a magic drum and a tortoise who wants to take the drum from the king. Let's start see what is happened in the story. Ephraim Duke was an ancient king of Calabar. One king was there. It was a Nigerian state. He was a very peaceful man and did not like war. Okay, children, you understand? What is the name of a king? Ephraim Duke. And what is the name of the state? Calabar. And the king was a very peaceful man. He did not want any war. He had a wonderful drum, the property of which, when it was beaten, was always to provide plenty of good foods and drink. The king has a drum. And what is the advantage of the drum? When it was beaten, it gives plenty of good food and drink. So, whenever any country declared war against him, he used to call all his enemies together and beat his drum. Then, to surprise of everyone, instead of fighting, the people found tables spread with all sorts of dishes: fish, fofo, palm oil, chops, soup, and cooked yams, and plenty of palm wine for everybody. Understand, children? When anyone want to war with him, he invite them, and they were surprised with this delicious food. And Ephraim Duke kept all the country quiet and sent his enemies away with full stomach. They eat nicely and they did not want war with him. There was only one drawback to processing the drum. There was one drawback. Drawback means there was a disadvantage of the drum. What is that? If the owner of the drum walked over any stick on the road or stepped over a fallen tree, if the owner of the drum walked over a stick or over a fallen tree, all the food would immediately go back. All the food would immediately go back. Moreover, 300 Agbo men would appear with sticks and wives and beat the owner of the drum and all the invited guests very severely. This is the disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? If any owner of the drum will cross or go over the stick while walking or stepped over a fallen tree, then what will happen? All the food will go bad and Igbo man would appear with stick and beat the owner of the drum and all the invited guests very severely. Every few months, the king used to issue invitation to all his subjects to come to a big feast. Every few months after king invited is going to invite, even the wild animals were invited, and for in those days there was no trouble as they were friendly with man, and when they were at feast they did not kill one another. Animals are not going to kill that time because it is a folk tale. All the people and animals as well were envious of the king's drums and wanted to possess it. Everyone wants to take that drum from the king, but the king would not part with it. But no, why king will give it? King is not going to give anyone. One morning, Aikwaredum, the king's wife, took her little daughter down to the spring to wash her, as she was covered with years, which are bad sores all over the body. One morning, king's wife took her little daughter to take for bath in the spring, and she washes her skins because maybe she has an infection, and she was cleaning his body. The tortoise happened to be up a palm tree just over the spring, cutting nuts for his midday meal. Maybe a tortoise was above the palm tree. While he was cutting, one of the nuts fell on the ground just in front of the child. The little girl, seeing the good food, cried for it. As it fell down, the little girl took that food and she ate that. Directly the tortoise saw this, and he climbed down the tree and asked the woman where his palm nut was. He climbed down and asked the woman for his nut. She replied that she had given it to her child to eat. Then the tortoise, who very much wanted the king's drum. Tortoise knew that she was king's daughter and king's wife, so he want that drum from the king, so he thought that he could make plenty palaver over this. He can unnecessarily give a trouble to them and force the king to give the drum. So he said to the mother of the child, I am poor man and I climbed the tree to get food for myself and my family. Then you took my palm nut and gave it to your child. I shall tell the whole matter to the king and see what he has to say when he hears that his wife has stolen my food. The tortoise said to the king's wife that you have stolen my nut. I will go to king and ask for his drum. And they went to the king. Aikwaedum then said to Tortoise, I saw your palm not lying on the ground and thinking it had fallen from the tree. And I gave it to little girl to eat, but I did not steal it. My husband, the king, is a rich man, and if you have any complaint to make against me or child, I will take you before him. The child and his king's wife take the tortoise before the king. So she took the tortoise to her husband and told him what had taken place. The king then asked the tortoise what he would accept as compensation for the loss of his palm nut. King asks, what you want now? And the tortoise immediately pointed to the king's drum and said that it was the only thing he wanted. In order to get rid of the tortoise, the king said, "Very well, take the drum." But he never told the tortoise about the bad thing that would happen to him if he stepped over a fallen tree or walked over a stick on the road. The king gave the drum to the tortoise, but he did not told the tortoise about disadvantage of the drum. What was the disadvantage? That if anyone crossed or stepped over a fallen tree or a stake, then what will happen? Igbo man will appear and they will beat them. The tortoise was very glad at this and carried the drum home in triumph. Very great victory, he thought that it was my very great victory, and he took the drum to his wife and said, "I am now a rich man and shall do no more." Okay children, read it up to here today. Next day we will go for the